I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next. Choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to log in. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.